Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. CPSP delegate was invited by Principal Sims to witness the state-of-the-art facilities in the Skills Lab for Skill Acquisition established in 2009. The members of the delegate included President CPSP Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal, Director General National Residency Program Professor Dr. Mahmood Ayaz, and Chief Controller Examination and Director Advanced Skills Department Professor Dr. Abrar Ashraf Ali. Professor Dr. Zohra Khanum, Principal Sims, MS Dr. Munir received the delegate along with the deans, heads of departments, and senior faculty members including Professor Tayyiba Wasim, Professor Tayyiba Khawar Bhatt, Professor Khalid Waheed, Professor Tahreem Ayaz, Professor Ambreen Bhatt, Professor Arif Nadeem, Professor Nadeem Aslam, Professor Yasin Rafi, and Professor Shoaib Nabi Buzdar. The CPSP delegate and senior faculty planted trees followed by a visit to the skills department. CPSP delegate was very happy and impressed to see the training facilities for undergraduate and postgraduate students in the said department. Simulators of international standards were available for various specialties including endoscopic surgery, gynecology, orthopedics, and arthroscopic facilities. Upper and lower GI endoscopic and radiological facilities were also present. The idea of the skill lab was conceived by the late Professor Faisal Masood. Professor Mahmood Ayaz expanded the facilities along with Professor Waris Farooqa. Currently, Professor Waris Farooqa is supervising this innovative facility and imparting training to the postgraduate residents. He managed to establish an experimental operation theatre 2, which is a unique one. This facility is confidently asserted to be the best in any medical institution in Punjab and is comparable to Aga Khan University. Professor Waris Farooqa and his team, besides providing training facilities to residents in his hospital, are also overseeing the Advanced Skills Department of CPSP. He is the pioneer of Fundamentals of Endoscopic Surgery and Fundamentals of Laparoscopic Surgery courses. CPSP delegate later interacted with faculty members and senior staff of SIMS. Principal Professor Zohra Khanum welcomed the CPSP delegate, followed by the updates and history of the Skills Department by Professor Waris Farooqa. He thanked his colleagues from other institutions including Professor Ajmal Farooq, Professor Qamar Ishfaq, Professor Abrar Ashraf Ali, Professor Yar Muhammad, Professor Shahid Farooq, Professor Muhammad Amir Sohail, Dr. Salman Majid, Dr. Maila Altaf, and Principal FMH Professor Muhammad Tayyib. Director General National Residency Program Professor Mahmood Ayaz in his speech appreciated the unprecedented contribution of Professor Waris Farooqa for the Skills Department, Advanced Laparoscopic Surgery, Robotic Surgery, and new postgraduate programs. President CPSP Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal updated the CPSP's future vision and long-term and short-term goals to address the challenges of quality and standards of training. He especially thanked Professor Zohra Khanum for invitation and his services for teaching, training, and ailing humanity. Head of the Department of Surgery, Professor Dr. Nadeem Aslam, extended the vote of thanks to all the guests, mentioning Professor Waris Farooqa as the best team member and capable leader of the institution. He thanked Professor Waris Farooqa and his team for sharing the future vision. The ceremony concluded with the souvenirs presentation and group photo. Thank you.